Today, we'll teach you how to make a wisteria hair tie. We'll use Susan's family, 4-ply cotton, and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Make a knot. And bring the loop forward. Work 50 single crochets. This is the first single crochet. A total of 50 single crochets, all worked in the same way. Finish it all the way down. Single crochets completed. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Now the base is complete. Next, we'll crochet the leaves. Begin with 6 chains. Go back to the second stitch from hook, work a slip stitch, a single stitch, and a slip stitch. Continue with 5 chains. Go back to the second stitch from hook, work a slip stitch, a single stitch, and a slip stitch. Repeat this method 4 more times. This leaf on the right side has a total of 5 leaves. After completing, then work for chains at the top. Go back to the second stitch from hook, work a slip stitch, a single stitch and a slip stitch. Then turn to the left side, work the remaining 5 leaves. Work 5 chains. Then work a slip stitch, a single stitch and a slip stitch. Join with a slip stitch in the middle chain of each leaf on the right side. Left and right symmetrically. Work 5 chains again. Go back to stitch, work a slip stitch, a single stitch and a slip stitch. Then, in the middle chain of this leaf, work a slip stitch in the chain here. The crochet method for each of the following leaves is identical. Everyone complete this part. After completing all, make 1 slip stitch. Then join with a slip stitch to the adjacent stitch on the left side of the base. Fasten off the yarn and weave in the end. Each leaf takes up 2 stitches on the base. One group of leaves is complete. Next, crochet the branch. Skip 3 stitches. Join yarn at the 4th stitch. Work 6 chains. And weave in the yarn end as you go. Turn back to the 5th stitch and make a slip stitch. This forms a calyx. Then work 10 chains. Turn back to the 5th stitch and work 3 slip stitches. This is another calyx. Make a total of 7 calyxes. Work 10 chains. Turn back to the 5th stitch and work 3 slip stitches. Continue with the same stitch pattern. Finish it completely. After completing the 7 calyxes, work 15 chains. After finishing, fasten off the yarn. Trim the excess yarn end. This branch 1 is now complete. Let's take a look. Treat this leaf with 2 branches as one pattern. Branch 1 has 6 calyxes, branch 2 has 7. You can alternate between branch 1 and 2, as you prefer. Always leave 2 stitches between each. And each pattern takes up 10 stitches. Repeat this pattern down the row, for a total of 5 patterns. Next, we'll crochet the flowers, starting with a dark purple flower. Join the yarn into the ring of this calyx. Work 5 chains. Then work a popcorn stitch. Work 5 double crochets. After completing, insert the hook into the stitch of first double crochet. Then pull that loop through. This is a DC5 popcorn stitch. Work 4 chains. Join with a slip stitch into the ring. Fasten off. Hide all these yarn tails inside the flower. The dark purple flower is now complete. Refer to the finished sample, or follow your preference, to crochet the desired number of dark purple flowers. Next, crochet the medium purple flower. Join yarn into the ring of the calyx. Work 4 chains. Then work a double crochet 5 stitches, popcorn. Start with 4 chains. Work 5 double crochets. After completing, insert the hook into the stitch of first double crochet. Then pull that loop through. Crochet 3 chains. Join with a slip stitch into the ring. Fasten off and hide all these tails inside the flower. The medium purple flower is now completed. The light purple flower is crocheted in the same way, just with a different number of chain stitches. Please complete them accordingly. For the last light purple flower, work at the end of the branch. Insert the hook at this position. Joining yarn and crochet the flower. That completes all the flowers on one branch. Using the same method, crochet flowers onto all the remaining branches. Colors can be matched as you like. From dark to light or light to dark, it's up to you. Have you got it? Follow the tutorial and crochet your own wisteria hair tie now.